Ladies and gentlemen, it's Patrick's and I'm here to tell y'all I just want to brief y'all about how to start watching anime, like what anime video you should start like watching, because my friend had been telling me to watch anime, and I wasn't interested at some point, but as time goes on I was interested, and he gave me his own recommendation. And I could tell you that when I started watching from a list of animes he gave me, I was interested, and this is what I found out. Sorry, I want to apologize for the bad video quality, and I'm in my family house, and you'll be hearing sounds, and I'm close to the window, so you'll probably be hearing sounds around, and I'm sorry. So let's start. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be recommending y'all, number one, to go watch Naruto. Bro, this shit is fire. I watched Naruto and I was fucking interested with anime. Like, the fuck, bro? Y'all should go watch anime. If you've never watched an anime movie before, go watch anime. Go watch anime. And start with Naruto. Naruto is fire, bro. Naruto is fire. Bro, you're gonna see Sasuke. You're gonna see a lot, bro. I love Naruto to the fullest. I love Naruto to the fullest, nigga. Ladies and gentlemen, number 2. Know That Listens, yo. I recommend all y'all to go watch Know That Listens, bro. The day I watched Know That Listens, I was so intrigued by that act, and I was so happy. Like, anime is the best movie you could ever watch as a teenager, as an old as nigga. So yeah, I would recommend Know That Listens as number 2. Number 3, ladies and gentlemen. Number 3, I would recommend all of y'all to go watch Attack on Titans. Bro, it's hot in here, nigga. Attack on Titans. Y'all should go watch that shit. That shit is fire. That's one of the best animes ever, like ever. And I mean it. I'm not joking. It's one of the best animes ever. Y'all should go watch Attack on Titans. I recommend for everybody, both those starting out and those that have been watching before. You should go watch Attack on Titans. That shit is fire. Ladies and gentlemen, my 4th recommended anime episode to watch is Demon Slayer Hinokami. You should go watch that shit. It's fire. It's getting hot in here again, bro. You can watch Demon Slayer and stop watching anime. The fuck, bro? It's not possible. Hinokami Demon Slayer is fire. It's one of the best to ever. Like, it's one of the best animes, like, to start with. Even if you're starting, or you've been an anime fan and you've not watched Demon Slayer before, I recommend y'all should go watch it like ASAP. Demon Slayer Hinokami as number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, this number 5, I don't want to tell y'all niggas right now. I don't want to tell y'all my number 5. Because if I tell you this number 5, y'all will not read your books anymore. Y'all will be on anime, like, you'll be an anime freak, and I don't want to be the source of failure in school. Like, it's okay. Let me give you my number 5 recommended anime episode to watch is My Hero Academia. That anime, oh my god, I just feel like I've committed a sin by telling y'all, and your parents are coming for me. I don't know, because y'all will stop watching your normal movies you've been watching. You stop reading your books, and I'm serious, I'm not joking. So My Hero Academia as my number 5 recommended anime episode to watch as a beginner. If you're new to the channel, I want you to subscribe. I don't know. Subscribe, like, share with your friends, and in the comments below, you tell me what are your preferences. What are those you've watched or those you're looking onto to watch? Any one of them, just get into the comment section and tell me what are your takes on them. Thank you. Peace.